What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sportcraft back with another review of BrandsLove2Tone. Day 3. You did go build in that man cave. Last night, I believe I recorded doing a review for the LED lights that I had installed. The new packs came in the morning. I ordered it on the 18th, but it came in the day. It came this morning, and it's the 27th. So I don't know why it took so long. Amazon sent me notifications saying, sorry, it's too late. Today we're gonna be doing a review for the Sportcraft basketball arcade game. I'm gonna show y'all how that thing look.
Bruh.
Everything out there. Thought it was.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Bruh.
So we're gonna be doing a review for this, and we're gonna put it together. It didn't tell me it was this heavy, but it's small. I don't get it. I wanted to fill up the whole corner. I don't think it's gonna fit. And if it don't, I gotta find a seller because he already sent this late. I could have got this, returned it, and bought some more shit. So without further ado, we'll get straight into it. Let's get it.
How the fuck you just my best friend? Not dating is killing me. Man, I want you to the end. You can't fake it, you feeling me? Good mix, man, I know this the remedy. From the bed to our bun, either way it's good memories. Listen, man, you supposed to be the move. I had no time for the wait. Pump faking on your end, so she jumped in your place. I'm disappointed cause I gave you the bait. I was worried about people's opinions. Fuck that haters go say. I had a few rough years. Girl, my focus was you. And you ratchet, but you smart. And not to mention you cute. You were struggling and then I helped you. What you expect me to do? Man, you're solid. I respect it. Never made an excuse. I was really there, your ups and downs. Yeah, making sure that you never touch your crown. Yeah, cause every time that I told you that I love you, girl, I meant it. Made a promise I'm gonna always hold you down. For real. What type of time are you on? We like my vibe, but we like a nigga doing you wrong. That shit crazy. I had the cabin trip planned out, yeah. I'm mad I had to cancel cause I really went all out. I meet you sex the first day, now playing out the movie. Then we lay back and relax while we chillin' the cruising, yeah. You didn't need them clothes, cause I bought them for you. I even got the cabin bed with a skyline view and it's different. I really wish you cooked in the kitchen, greedy nigga. I really need the food that you fixin', yeah. Moral of the story, you gon' probably regret it. Cause all the love I have for you don't make sure she'll get it. Good woman, so I know that I'm winning. And she honest with the kid, that shit be keeping me grinning. I'm gone. Best of luck. Tone.
So Shannon, I saw you tweeting about this. How do you explain it?
Yeah, I don't believe there's an explanation that I can adequately give you. Because either one or two things are happening. Two things can be true. Either they extended
I'm happy about getting to do that. Oh, I missed twice. What's up, it's your boy Sportcraft. As you can see, I finished building it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna shoot again for me to miss a third time or whatever. So, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, fuck it. I missed again. Besides that, it was pretty easy to assemble. I was just being stubborn and not wanting to follow instructions. We started putting pieces together. You can kind of like picture it, how everything's gonna get laid out. I didn't think it was actually gonna be this tall based on how small that box was. I was like, oh man, I bought a little mini version. And it's like a little kid in a little picture that's the same height as I was like, oh man, but at least like 5'3" for to do height wise. I'm just guesstimating. Pretty cool. Great addition to my man cave. I did a canvas painting of Peter Griffin, you know, one the GOAT, and I'm gonna put some more GOATs along this wall, you know what I'm saying, like I got LeBron, GOAT, and Kobe over there. Stuff in my new album, you know, Heartbreak Tones out on all platforms. Make sure you go get that link in the caption. You know how to plug that in. But everything coming in week by week, like I said, this is day 3. Hope y'all like the review. I'm gonna show y'all a couple clips of how I look, but besides that, you know what I'm saying, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you. And I ain't playing with none of y'all.
Let's get it. Oh yeah, and stay safe, stay healthy, social distance.